Cummins, Perkins, Mitsubishi, MTU, Baudouin, Stamford, Leroysomer, Marathon, Faraday, Deep Sea, Command, Diff, Smart Shed. With one of the biggest modern genset factory with total 30,000 square meters. 10 kilovolt ampere to 5,000 kilovolt ampere diesel generator set 8525 standards. Under the management system of SO 901 and SO 1401, and the whole series of generators have passed CE certification, adhering to the principle of being free customer. Every unit of our company goes through strict control in design, sheet metal, welding, polishing, assembly, electrical appliances, testing, and shipping to ensure the equipment has high performance and high quality without any defect before shipment. As a professional generator power plant solutions for different customers on the basis of standard products. For us, every customer is important, no matter small or big. For any order, we have very strict quality control in the trust of our customers.